Let's look at how the telephone RJ11 crimping is done. When you look at the RJ11 modular plugs, it comes with, or they do come with, 4 conductors within it. So you will realize that when we are using a network cable which has 4 pairs of conductors, we'll need just 2 pairs of the network cable, since we have only 4 conductors in this RJ11. And so we'll be using the striped orange of the network cable as pin 1. Pin 2 will be using solid blue, and then the pin 3 will be using striped blue. Pin 4 as well will use the solid orange. So that is the order we're going to be using. So just have to put the cables together, make sure they come together very well, and then we can cut off or trim the 4 of them together like this. Once they are trimmed, we'll just have to turn the RJ11 and fit it onto the conductors. We push the cables into the RJ11. Once they come to the edge there, and then through our crimping tool, we'll crimp them together. So I'm putting it into my crimping tool. Once I put it through, I'll just press it over it, and then my RJ11 is terminated. So this is the side that will plug into a PBS switch, and the other end comes into a socket, and from the socket you can just connect the cable from here, and that goes into a telephone handset. Now, as I did, the cabling order I used is that pin 1 I used striped orange, pin 2 I used blue, pin 3 I used striped blue, and pin 4 I used the solid orange. That's the same order I used here. When you look at the order of arrangement of the cabling in this telephone socket, you realize that pin 1 is black, of which we used the stripe orange. So you see that the black terminal connector, I used the stripe orange, and I followed through the red, which is the solid blue. I used the blue connected to the red here. So it means that at both ends of your cable, you need to use the same convention. The convention you used at the side of the RJ11 connection is the side of the kind of connection, or the kind of convention you should use at the socket level, so that once this order is maintained, you have a perfect setup when testing your system. You will not have any problem at all. So that is what you should note in connecting your RJ11 and even as well your telephone sockets. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section. I will address all of them. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.